Hey everyone, and welcome to this introductory video on Python. Python is a general purpose programming language that is easy to learn and use, making it a popular choice for beginners and experienced programmers alike. In this video, we'll cover some of the basic concepts of Python, such as variables, data types, operators, and conditional statements. Variables. Variables are used to store data in Python. For example, to create a variable called name and assign it the value Adi, you would write name is equal to inside double inverted comma Adi. You can then access the value of the variable by typing its name. To print the value of the variable name to the console, you would write data types. Python has a variety of data types which are used to represent different types of data. Some of the most common data types include str, that is string, a sequence of characters, int, that is integer, a whole number, float, that is a floating point number, a number with a decimal point, bool, that is boolean, a value that can be either true or false. You can specify the data type of a variable when you create it by adding a colon followed by the data type name. For example, to create a variable called age and assign it the integer value 25, you would write age colon int equal to 25. Python will automatically infer the data type of a variable if you do not specify it explicitly. However, it is generally good practice to specify the data type of your variables as this can help to prevent errors. Operators. Python has a variety of operators which are used to perform operations on data. Some of the most common operators include plus, that is for addition, minus, subtraction, star for multiplication, forward slash for division, percent symbol for modulo, that is reminder, double equal to for equal to, exclamation equal to symbol for not equal to. Similarly, combine the angle brackets with equal to for greater than or equal to and less than or equal to. For example, to add the values of the variables age and 10 and print the result to the console, you would write print of age plus 10. This would print the following output to the console. Conditional statements. Conditional statements are used to control the flow of execution of a program. The most common conditional statements are if, elif, and else. An if statement allows you to create a block of code if a condition is met. For example, the following code would print you are an adult to the console if the value of the variable age is greater than or equal to 18. If age greater than or equal to 18, colon, print you are an adult. An elif statement allows you to check multiple conditions and execute different blocks of code depending on which condition is met. For example, the following code would print you are a child to the console if the value of the variable age is less than 18 and you are an adult to the console if the value of the variable age is greater than or equal to 18. If age less than 18, print you are a child. Elif age greater than 18, print you are an adult. An else statement is used to execute a block of code if none of the other conditions are met. For example, following code would print your age is invalid to the console if the value of the variable age is less than 0. If age less than 0, print your age is invalid. Elif age greater than or equal to 18, print you are an adult. Else, print you are a child. This is just a brief introduction to some of the basic concepts of Python. There is much more to learn, but this should give you a good foundation. Thank you.